actually from what you're saying, right, everything else in my wife take, I basically have nothing lah.
I didn't say that. But you'll be a very good husband for saying that.
Of course.
Okay, that is when you earn the emotional equity.
Oh yeah, exactly. Hey, Sugar Ray. How come you revert back to this look, previous 2 episodes, you look normal. And now you're like
Happier?
You must really like this kind of look. Yeah, you look happier. You really look happier.
Yes.
Yeah. Well, I think it's because of all these episodes, right? Like, you know, when you talk about equity in episode 3, right?
Yeah.
You have this, very happy because everything, okay, except minus liability is my equity. Yeah. Then after our episode 4 and 5, right? Now today is everything together. So like all these episodes, right, if we talk about assets, liability, equity, profit, cash flow, but somehow, right, in this episode, right, is everything seems to be coming together. Except my life is still very messy.
Yep, of course. That's why we're here together to connect all these things and know the full story of your money.
Okay, finally, from theory to reality. Let's go lah.
We're counting love, keep it tight, budgets dancing in the night.
Okay, so let's do a minor recap. Okay, and on what analogies, what all our previous episodes actually means, right? We have balance sheet, which is a snapshot of what you own versus what you owe, right? We have income statement, which is the expected flow of money that you have earned or spent. And then you have your cash flow, which actually shows the actual cash that comes in and the actual cash that flows out. And finally, we have the equity that shows what's actually yours. Right?
Okay. Nice. So all these things together, right?
Yep.
Before we continue, in case people don't know who we are, let me introduce myself first. Okay, I'm Uncle Lester, and he's, what are you today?
Uncle Ray.
Uncle Ray, no sugar, not happy, just Uncle Ray.
Sweet.
He
always smiling. So
sweet Uncle Ray.
Yes.
Okay, so what Uncle Ray was saying just now, right? All these balance sheet, income statement, cash flow, equity, right?
Yeah.
So I'll just say, like, balance sheet, right, is like the ingredients. Then liabilities, okay, we talk about cooking and all that. So balance sheet is ingredients. Liabilities is the chef's debts.
Yes.
Then equity is the cake that's mine.
Yes.
If I'm
truly yours.
Bakery lah, okay. Then revenue are the orders that, you know,
for your cakes.
For my cakes.
Yep.
And then the expenses are the kitchen costs.
Yes.
And so the cash flow in the end will be my wallet at the end of the day.
Yes. Just that your end of the day is after any dividends that's withdrawn to your wife. Right?
Yeah. So sad, right? But then again, it's my wife, so what to do?
It's a good thing. It's a good thing, you know, for family improvements.
Yeah. So how is the flow like?
So it flows like this: revenue minus expenses, you get income statement, and the income statement gives you the net profit. Now the net profit will be accumulated in your retained earnings, which forms a bigger equity. And that's for equity. Now for your cash flow in and cash flow out shows your actual cash that you hold. Now for the actual cash that you hold versus the profit you see in your income statement, the difference will be the timing. Yeah. And then for the balance sheet, you just need to update your assets and then update your liability. And the net of both will be the remaining of that will be your equity, which is what you ultimately owe.
Wow.
What you ultimately own.
Ultimately own.
Yes.
So which means, right, like my salary is my revenue.
Yes.
All my bills, my expenses Then whatever left over is my net profit.
Yes.
Then HDB loan is my liability.
Yes.
Then CPF savings, my equity.
Sort of. And your asset is your HDB.
And my asset is HDB.
Yes.
And then actually from what you're saying, right, everything else in my wife take, I basically have nothing lah.
I didn't say that. But you'll be a very good husband for saying that.
Of course.
Okay, that is when you earn the emotional equity.
Oh yeah, exactly.
So yeah, this way you
Then
are
the cash flow leh?
Cash flow was by tracking the cash flow is an extra task, yes, but it shows you why sometimes you are very profitable on paper, your revenue minus expenses, but when you look at your wallet, it's thinner than your paper. So when that happens, you know why.
Yeah.
I
should know, right?
You should know.
Okay. So what are some practical tips you can give us?
So when it comes to your personal part, do track the inflows and outflows monthly, right? Separate accounts for savings, expenses, and investments. Now know your net worth, which is your asset minus your liability, right? And then avoid profit on paper, loss, broke in hand kind of situation. And always start small. Even with a simple spreadsheet, or what we call, what the Angmos call back on the envelope, or what we uncles call kopitiam ledger.
Wow, kopitiam ledger.
Yeah,
I like that.
You like that, right?
Yeah, ledger with copy stains, right? Yeah, very legit accounting lah.
Legit, very legit one.
Yes.
Okay. And
life lessons.
And life lessons is that accounting is what tells your life story in terms of numbers. And when you see the full picture, you get to be able to make smarter decisions, right? You get to know that you need to build assets, and then you need to manage and lower your liabilities, and also track your cash so that you can compare with your profit. And then your aim of all this is ultimately to grow your equity.
I finally understand now. My life is one big ledger, but hopefully I can start managing it.
Yes, that's the power of accounting. Your own life in numbers, and hopefully not with just a kopitiam ledger with coffee stains.
Okay, no problem. Okay, next, kopi. I toast my own assets. Then liabilities, then hopefully growing equity.
Yes. You shocked me a bit when you said you're going to toast your own assets.
Yeah, toast to my own assets. Toast my own assets.
And that's all, pretty much all to it. So we've come to the end of season 1.
Yep.
And here we go. 2 uncles.
1 ledger.
Many lessons.
See you all next time. Bye.
Bye.